Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, BPharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.
Sodium chloride.
What is it commonly called?
Salt. I was the first one.
I'm a fair person.
I think I've given up.
40.
I've given up.
One section, Naila is zero.
What are you doing?
I've given up. Jibran Khan, just
Naila is
relax.
zero.
Walking.
चलते
अरे यार
Yeah, it's too
तुमने
slow.
बहुत जल्दी बोल दिया.
Jibran, just
I'm sitting it out यार.
सुना क्यों रो रहा हूँ मैं? Thank you.
ये तो कजरारे कर लिया.
अभी और जीत गया.
आई चिकनी चमेली चुपके अकेली.
तो किया ना भाई. पौवा चढ़ा के और करूँ. ये भी अलग है.
He did कचरारे.
Bro.
I did कजरारे.
Rohit has got it.
Yes. Guys.
मुझे खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा था तो.
उड़ गए तोते. Bird. बस रुको. Bee.
Panchi, bus B.
Let them try. You guys are cheating a lot. Next one.
Namaste London. I said
Namaste,
it first.
London.
No. I said it first.
Come on.
You just ran. No, I said Namaste London.
Did you say anything?
I just said salam.
Salam.
I also.
Salam.
only
Salam
I said it.
London.
Pinga gapori, pinga gapori, pinga
Oh.
Right. Both of them.
Sorry, plugged. Nice.
Well, I was a child, and I think all of us sitting here were kids when Ishq Vishk dropped, and I was a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan. But after Shah Rukh Khan, if there was one person who I absolutely had a man crush on, it would be Shahid Kapoor. And today we have the 4 people who are taking the legacy forward. And in the first episode, actually, you guys are joining us on the first episode of the Galata Game Show. हमारे पास ऑडियंस भी है और ऑडियंस आज मैं ये फुल परमिशन देता हूँ कि आप लोग खुलेआम चीट कर सकते हो. ये वैसे वाला show है.
Open book exam. Open book
Yeah, it's
exam.
an open
Textbook exam.
Yeah,
Very
open
good.
book
I have
exam.
lock eyes with one person.
जो भी है अभी देख लो कि क्या कौन आंसर करेगा. It's a Bollywood and trivia quiz.
अरे
There are several rounds.
चलो.
Bollywood over here.
Very good. My eyes are on you.
Okay.
So Naila, Rohit, no, there are no teams. Pashmina and Jibran, all of you, welcome to Galata, India.
Thank you for having us.
I've been waiting to do this, and my video producer is proof of the same. So let me tell you that there will be several rounds, almost 6 to 7 rounds, quick rounds. The first round is called trivia,
Okay.
going back to school.
Okay.
So there are 9 questions from different subjects in school.
Oh my god.
Chemistry and all.
No. But we have to have a buzzing sound. Right?
No. जो पहले आंसर देगा,
Okay, fine.
जो पहले आंसर देगा,
Fine.
बजिंग करने में वो, and I'll be the decider. ये मैं अकेले डिसाइड करूंगा कि किसने पहले आंसर दिया.
तो जिब्रान ही जीतेगा.
क्या?
ए नहीं.
वैसे नहीं.
You know I'm on
He is
camera.
not unfair.
Yeah,
He is a fair
Yeah,
judge.
I'm a
yeah.
very fair. You will see. Now you've done this. Now you see.
Yeah.
Now anybody is winning, but you clearly are not winning. Okay, so you're gonna keep a tab on scores. Okay.
Sure.
10 for correct answers.
Sure.
Woo.
Okay. First subject is English.
Okay.
I'm gonna say a sentence,
Easy
and then
now.
I'm gonna ask you to identify something. You to tell me what in that sentence is that.
Oh god.
Okay.
So Ravi and Sheru are best friends. This is the sentence. You have to identify the conjunction.
Oh god, I'm really like.
Say repeat it.
And
She's answered it. Wow. 10 points to Pashmina.
Very good.
10 points.
10 points.
Conjunction नहीं पता था.
अरे आप इतना fast है यार.
Your mind
And it
has
was
to
fast
be
also.
kind of.
थोड़ा slowly बोलो.
Okay, what is the perimeter
Okay.
of a square with each side 5 centimeter?
Anyone?
I feel.
1 second. सिया जनता.
I have
20.
Is it
Oh my God! Only one person went to school, guys. Only one of
this
you.
one? is answering it. I don't understand.
Guys, today I'm dressed like a schoolgirl, so I
It's
have the
city
knowledge.
uniform.
With a little bow. at
But
the
I
back
think
of her
I think Pashmina gets another point. 20.
Very
good. 0, 0, 0. Physics.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh God.
We all know gravity is G in physics. What is the value of G?
Gram.
Oh no.
Gravity का
of-
value
It's a
क्या
lot.
है?
It's a lot.
It's a very valuable because if it wasn't for gravity,
Oh,
we
like
would be
I'm
up in
not.
space.
Why would you
not
ask
even
us
gonna-
these questions?
Yeah.
What have
Honestly,
we done
this
to
is
you?
embarrassing. This is embarrassing.
One sec. You said Janta also.
Janta.
Janta is saying what?
10.
No. It's a
8.593.
9 point.
9 point.
9 point.
right answer. 9.8.
जनता
चीटिंग भी ठीक से नहीं कर पाए ये लोग भाई.
वो ऐसा कर रहा है.
Score.
10, 20, 0, 0.
Yes.
Guys.
Come on.
Clearly.
Hiran.
Okay. Chemistry. I'm gonna give you a formula.
हाँ.
You have to tell me what is it commonly called.
Okay.
मतलब
Water.
commonly.
No.
H2O is water, but
Yeah.
what is NaCl?
Sodium.
Sodium.
Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride.
What is it commonly called?
Salt.
He said salt.
I'm 30 guys.
10, 0,
Soon.
0. What is happening?
Okay, we'll make it up. We'll make it up.
It's me.
सब अलग अलग. Okay, biology. Which is the longest bone in the human body?
Spine.
Humerus.
Femur.
Oh my God. Is
Oh.
not the spine?
Femur.
Femur bone.
I said humerus.
The thigh bone.
Oh.
Humerus
30.
bone?
What did you say?
I said the spine.
But it's many, na? It's the
So one
vertebrae.
sec. She's on 0.
0.
You don't need to
Ten.
repeat it. You don't need to repeat it.
Naila ji.
Sorry, Naila.
Don't make up.
0, 10, 30, 10. Okay, which Indian freedom fighter was convicted for the murder of John Saunders and Chanan Singh and hanged in March 1931?
Uddham.
What have we? How? What? Why?
Which freedom fighter was
Arey,
hanged in
someone
March
Google it.
1931? There are many movies made on this person.
It's not Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh.
It is Bhagat Singh.
I got
It is
it.
Bhagat Singh. Who said it's
But I
not
said Bhagat Singh,
No, you
so I
said
guess
it's not Bhagat
Not
Singh.
Bhagat Singh.
But there was also okay. Sorry. I knew this answer, but
40,
okay.
10, 10. Now, अब बोल कि cheating किया?
नहीं किया.
I'm a fair person.
I think I've given up.
40, 10.
I've given up.
One sec. So Naila is
Rohit,
0.
what are you doing?
I've given up. Jabran Khan. Just
Naila
relax.
is 0.
Naila,
Like,
why?
damn.
I don't know.
You know, I just felt honestly.
I
I
honestly-
don't mean harm to all of you because I feel like all of
I
you
should
are
have won.
I
lovely.
agree with you.
I should have answered all of them.
You are 40, 10, 10.
I don't get Bhagat Singh.
No,
No,
you said
why
it's
would
not
you get
Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh?
As long as we're not
Okay.
zero.
Okay,
You get it.
geography.
Okay, I'm very bad
South
at
man.
it.
Name the smallest state of India.
Goa.
Right.
I was gonna say, I don't know
But
why I raised my
बोल
hand.
दो.
I was so.
इतने.
Like I'm
Nice.
You know, this is the thing about these games. You know these answers, but you're made to feel so
Yeah.
unsure of
Yeah.
it.
Small.
Said it. Now what you're saying, Goa.
Who's that?
Komal from Bangalore.
20, oh sorry, 0, 20,
Oh, nice.
40, 10. Sports.
oh, I'm
In
very
the
bad.
IPL,
Yeah.
how
I
many
can't
times
answer this.
have KKR won the trophy?
3.
3.
Right answer.
20.
20.
20, 40, 10,
Oi.
0.
Can I-
Go with 20, go with 20.
20,
I have an
20,
idea.
40,
Should I just be on your side and just ask?
No,
because
no,
clearly
no.
it's not
You could
counting
win
this
the
way.
Bollywood rounds. Who knows? This is
No,
mostly
she
like
won't.
non-Bollywood.
You win.
The
You win
sports
that.
round, I'm not good.
Okay, the
Yeah,
last
yeah.
question for this round.
Okay.
It's politics. Okay.
Okay.
Who is the president of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi Murmu.
And I said Draupadi.
I said
but she
Murmu.
said Draupadi Murmu
best friend.
No,
first.
then half.
So 10. No, ऐसा
I
नहीं.
also said it. Then I also want 5 in this.
So he gave you
पश्मीना
Bhagat Singh
मुझे
almost.
10 पॉइंट तो
By
दे दे
that logic.
पश्मीना 10 पॉइंट तो दे दे यार
10, 20, 40, 20. This is the end of round 1.
So
Pashmina is
Pashmina
leading.
wins.
very well very very
Wow.
well
Nice. It's okay, Rohit. We'll get there.
So the Bollywood rounds are gonna start. Second round, Bollywood round. Guess the films from the English translation of the title.
Okay,
Got it.
fine.
Guess the. Okay.
Okay.
I think
There
you
are-
needed a little bit of translation in my head to even understand what you
Or
just said.
Nayan slowly bol.
Slowly बोलने से आंसर जो दे देगा वो जीत जाएगा.
Okay, okay.
One stranger is एक अजनबी.
Okay,
Like
got
that.
it, got it, got
Okay.
it.
That, okay.
Okay, fine.
First one. Something is happening.
कुछ होता है.
कुछ होता है.
You know, your eyes went towards me. I said it first. I said it first.
I said it.
I think I'm gonna give it to everybody.
Yes.
Because I am indecisive.
कुछ होता है नयन, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
प्यार दोस्ती है. नयन,
To see, it is my point.
not at all. Not at all.
सबको देना पड़ेगा. वीडियो प्रोड्यूसर ने बोल दिया. देखो वीडियो प्रोड्यूसर तो biased नहीं है. See,
No.
clearly I'm not biased. Otherwise, I would have given it to, according to you, Gibran, but I
Yeah,
didn't.
I agree.
But I'm
I
gonna give
said
it
it,
to all
guys.
of you.
Correct.
So it's 20, 30, 50,
60.
and
Hey,
Yeah.
ये 40 पे दिया अभी.
20, 30, 50, 30.
30.
Okay.
fine.
Second one.
Okay.
You won't get this life again.
ये नहीं
60 points.
वहाँ लाइफ हो तो ऐसी.
Third one. Tax.
Curse.
No.
No.
That's debt.
Oh shit.
Tax.
रेड.
Red. नहीं.
टैक्स. धंधा. पानी. पैसा.
मालामाल वीकली. नहीं.
Tax. Tax को क्या बोलते हैं?
जुर्माना. No, that's something else.
ए बोलो ना कोई.
अरे टैक्स क्या
इनको
होता
भी
है?
नहीं पता tax. Very nice. Audience also doesn't.
थोड़ा हिंट दे दो.
Gibran said it.
I said Lagan. Guys, I said Lagan.
Gibran said
I said
it.
Lagan.
Gibran said it. 40, 60, 30.
I had said it.
20.
Nayan. I had said it.
No. But you're saying, if you say,
That's why I'm saying, Gibran, stay in your seat.
you can also just get up.
Okay.
She's too poised.
Yeah.
All right.
Victoria.
Yeah, I did not say like this. Like very difficult to get.
Okay,
out.
then
Yeah,
next
then we have
one.
to sit like this a little bit.
Walking.
चलते.
अरे
Yeah,
यार
it's too
तुमने
slow.
बहुत जल्दी बोल दिया.
Gibran, just
I'm sitting it out, yeah.
50.
Okay.
Nah?
So I have beaten Pashmina.
No, I'm
No,
at
no,
60.
50, 60, 30,
10.
20.
Oh, 20. Sorry.
Okay, the next one. I loved.
मैंने क्या किया?
Oh.
Correct है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ, yes.
ये करेगा सोना.
भाई का
स्कोर
point.
अभी 40.
भाई का point.
20, 40, 50, 60. है यही है ना स्कोर?
हाँ, यही.
Next one. Okay? It is very easy.
हाँ.
Why did I love?
मैंने क्या किया?
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
No.
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
Nayan, I said it.
He said it.
I said it.
No,
But I said it.
Rohit was just louder.
And I
he
did
said
this
together.
also.
Rohit.
एक second. जनता किसने बोला? Because he was loud. Of course, Kimmel तो से Rohit है.
1 second. Can I be honest?
Okay, Rohit. Okay, Rohit.
I
Ask
will
our
give the
audience.
point to Rohit and Naila because I
What
give
the-
it twice.
Why Naila?
देख अभी तो दंगे हो जाएंगे.
I am very happy.
You're giving it to Rohit is fine.
Yeah.
So chalo, Rohit gets the
50,
point. 50, 50, 60. And
बोला है
20. You're so stupid. If she got 10 points, what was your problem?
Yeah.
She got 20 anyway.
Are
You
even
guys
sure
are so
would get it?
pathetic. You're such so losers.
Chal,
Okay,
chal,
but
chal.
no, it's not about being.
Okay.
It's not about
What is
politics.
the-
It is clearly. It is clearly.
Now, somebody was telling me before the game that, ask Naila. Naila is going to tell you that she loves me the most. Do you still love Pashmina the most?
I don't know why it's really changing, Nayan. I feel it's really changing.
There is no politics and
listen.
malice.
You know, I must say, I was saying such sweet things in interviews. They're my ishq. I love them. Sisterhood, boys. You guys.
This
Game
is not
promo में
English,
जाएगा.
यार.
What was the score? 50, 50, 20 and 60.
Yeah, we
So
know.
end round 2.
It was 20. My God.
Yeah.
Continue, guys.
So we are beginning round 3. It's guess the Bollywood songs from the emojis. Now don't kill me if some of the emojis don't match because I also feel some of them are like really terrible, but nothing can happen.
Oh.
This is the first song.
उंगली बम.
Bum.
Sorry.
और जो bum ही दिख रहा है ये.
हाथ में.
Second one is एक, वो तो पता लग रहा है.
एक दोनों.
What are they? What are they? What is the? I'm
एक-
giving you a hint. Okay.
एक
Couple?
जो-
Couple.
Yeah. So then what is this?
Jodi number 1.
जोड़ी number
BV
one.
number 1.
What is the guy in a couple call?
मर्द. पति.
आदमी.
आदमी, लड़का,
पति पति यारो.
No.
लड़का.
यहाँ पे वो नहीं है.
Song.
It's a song.
मैं लड़का. मैं लड़की.
Pa. Okay, you got. Hint, give more hint.
It's a Kriti Sanon song.
मैं तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड, तू मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, ओ मैंने कैंडी ना ना ना.
Fair and square.
ऐसा बोल रहा है,
Shake
इसका
your
गाना है ऐसा.
sexy.
No, you are the ashik. You don't know that it's called boyfriend. Mard. Pati,
आदमी.
mard.
Oh God,
This
you're
is
like
very
60,
easy.
Jibran.
Okay, this is very easy.
एक जूता है.
मेरा जूता है. Just.
I said it. No.
You said
I said
He said, "मेरा जूता है जापानी."
How can you be shameless like that?
Shamelessly fighting with me. 60.
He's saying it
50,
also.
70 and 20.
Okay, बेचारा. कान एक.
सुन रहा है तू? रो रहा हूँ मैं. Thank you. Who got it? Amazing. Who was that? Who said it? Good job.
Very nice.
60, 60,
Don't repeat
70
mine.
and 20. You know, अगर मैंने ये नहीं भी बोला था ना कि ओपन बुक सिस्टम, तो भी ये लोग करते हैं, तो इसलिए मैंने फेयर रखने के लिए कर दिया था.
very nice.
नेक्स्ट, ये बहुत इजी है और बहुत रीसेंट भी है.
टेलीफोन बज
So
रहा है.
what is
With this का telephone बजता ring. Yes.
They are saying it
80.
before. They are saying it also.
But that doesn't matter. You listen and she is saying it before you. 80, 60, 60, 20.
And I thought I would lose.
I don't care anymore. The eyes are there only. It's okay.
Naila, I'll give you 5 points.
No,
It's still
keep
open.
it. It's fine.
एक में.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
Oh.
Very nice.
Wow, Rohit.
That is
What is the
impressive.
heavenly emoji for?
So,
Who made
Very
this?
nice.
70, 60, 70. Oh, tied.
Oh.
Very good.
No, I'm 80, no?
No, you're not 18.
Was she?
क्या
You
cheater
are
है
80,
यार.
you are 80.
I am 80.
She got ना बीच में.
Yeah.
ए इधर भी
This
बोलो.
is very easy.
एक लड़की को देखा. आंख मारे. लड़की आंख मारे.
You got it.
70, 70, 80, 20. What are you doing?
I've given up.
Oh,
I've given up.
पानी ने आग लगाई.
ए साथ में बोला यार. अभी
No,
क्या?
I said it first. I
साथ
said
में
it
बोला,
first.
साथ में बोला. She just
Rohit,
stood up.
why?
अरे but she said it. Then what do I do?
मैं भी बोला.
नहीं,
है.
both of you said it together.
Hari, but look at what the
Both of you said it
audience is
together.
also
What is the score? 90,
90.
80, 70, 20.
I'm out now. I'm not even trying. I'm not even trying.
इसमें मेरी
This is very
expertise
easy,
नहीं
okay?
है, and for that reason I
I'm out. I'm out.
Next one.
ये काली काली आंखें.
Wow, buddy.
My God.
It's okay.
100, she scored a century.
She deserves it today. Very good.
But I think we are done with all the
So first,
songs in
second,
this round, or
third.
in this round.
Okay.
There are more rounds.
There are more rounds.
So 100, 80, 70 and 20.
I must say,
I am very
love
stressed.
this game.
You
I'm
love it,
so
na?
happy, yeah.
I knew you
take
would
my
love it.
points.
थोड़ा पसीना
I will
भी
sit
आता
it
है.
out now. You
This
take
is
my
very
points and then
stressful.
you compete with them.
I don't want
You might
to.
win.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
ready.
Because इधर जो इतना उछल रहे थे सब अभी उछलना ही है पर अपनी जगह पे. ओके इसमें एक्चुअली आर्ट है अगेन.
हाँ.
ओके
डांस एक आर्ट है.
हाँ
Come
वही
on.
वही Dance Bollywood dance is the name of this.
We
song.
got it so far.
Yes.
Yes.
Come on.
I'm gonna say names of songs if you do the main hook step.
Yes.
Okay.
Fine.
Whoever does it better also will get a
Yes,
point.
better भी होना चाहिए.
अभी
Better
जग्गू
and
भी है
right.
तो they can't do जग्गू भी है.
That's their problem. Why you think
Yeah.
okay?
I
Okay.
don't even know.
First one. Chickni चमेली.
नहीं, चिकनी ने. Wait.
This is not the hook step.
But
Hey,
you did
bro,
not know.
I did this.
No. Turn.
But that is not the hook step, na. That is the hook step. But
ये तो कजरारे
No,
कर
that's
लिया.
not that.
We all
What
did
is
it
it out there?
together.
Yo.
आई चिकनी चमेली चुपके अकेली.
हाँ,
तो किया ना भाई. पौवा चढ़ा के और करूं. ये वाला भी है.
He did Gajrare.
Bro,
He did कजरारे.
Rohit has gotten.
Yes. Guys,
No,
I
no,
think-
you did this because of you.
I
have
did
started
चिकनी
doing this.
चमेली.
But it's
That's
that.
not this. This is कजरारे.
I did this.
हाँ, okay.
So one second.
You better get this one. If
80,
you don't,
100.
it's a shame.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
मतलब
No.
ये कभी खुशी कभी गम का गाना है.
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना.
I did it first.
but you are doing the wrong step.
यही
You're
है
doing
ना,
the right step.
यही है ना.
That-
What is it? Is it this?
90,
Right.
90, 180, 20.
वाह वाह, ये अगर तुमको नहीं मिलता तो मतलब शर्मनाक.
ये
Next one is very easy. All of them are easy actually. Hur hur dabang 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 hur hur dabang dabang.
बेल्ट भी है, करूँ क्या?
I think I should just
Points
get.
to all three of them except you. You didn't do.
I think I
all
should
three
get.
of them. Yeah, all three of them. All three
Yeah,
of them did
okay,
it at the
fine,
same
fine.
time. Scores क्या है? अच्छा, जिब्रान has scored 100 now, ना?
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
100,
90,
190.
100, 190 and 30.
30,
I'm very bad at this round.
Okay. मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से.
What did you do? I'm just doing this.
Both of us.
110, 100,
890, 90.
30. Okay, next one. Pinga gapori, pinga gapori, pinga gapori.
Oh!
Right. Both of them.
Oh, yeah.
You are
Sorry, plugged. Nice.
no, these two.
Okay, fair.
Gibran and Anila.
1 sec, what's my score again?
120,
Yeah, thanks.
100, 40,
90.
90.
I didn't see Gibran this excited on set. जितना यहाँ पे वो चल रहा है.
Better be excited. Okay, this one also for the love of Shahid Kapoor. Hey, papi.
Hey, puppy.
But they did it.
Yeah.
I am not getting any
Let me
all
take
three
you
of them
higher.
again. Rohit has also scored 100. Yes!
Nice. I scored half a century.
Finally, see?
50, 100, 130.
30.
130.
Oh my god, Gibran.
Second last.
You want to sit this
Yes.
Very bad at this.
Nice.
Second last one. के घुंघरू टूट गए.
Oh. I can't do it in heels.
Come on.
I can't do it in heels.
Only you got it.
Oh
He
no.
couldn't- They couldn't.
I couldn't.
Yeah. 140. ये जो देखो, I am not being biased.
I'm not saying anything
हाँ,
at all.
बापा.
140 नहीं होगा, 130 हुआ है.
40 भाई.
No, 40.
भाई का काट रहा है?
140, 100, 100.
अरे मेरा 110 हो गया.
110 हुआ था. 110, 100 and 50.
50.
This is the last one.
And what?
Last
50.
one.
Just do few more.
Last one is iconic.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. चले छैया 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 चले छैया छैया.
Hey, it's not all on the floor.
No,
Fine,
it
you
is.
know.
No, but
On
I'm
the
asking
floor.
you to all
All of us
Yeah.
do.
done.
This is the main step.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's this.
And all four of you get it. For the love of Shah Rukh Khan, who has actually romanticized Ishq Vishk like nobody else. We are back to the tab again. It's guess the movie based on the emojis.
Again.
Yeah.
No, Pashmina is good at this.
You could, like when I said this,
Time to get
I
my
shouldn't
crown
say it
back.
because then it'll be very evident.
Game of
Snigdha, if you're going to say anything, you have to say it this side, okay?
Are she's literally coming here and telling you.
अरे इधर तो कोई देख ही नहीं रहा है.
Gibran looks at her and he sees it.
So this is the next round. I have also lost count of how many rounds we have done.
तेरा शो तो
This
हिट
is
है.
the fifth
इस episode
round.
के बाद.
Yeah.
Arey, thank you. Ab you have to guess the movie titles
Based on
from
the
the
emojis.
Okay, there are 10 of them. First one.
Sky is big.
Oh, Saurabh.
If you didn't get
Cute.
Which is
Daddy.
Yeah,
I was
that's
almost gonna say this, but it would have become very easy for you. That's why I didn't say it. I should say something for this also, but well, I'll just keep quiet because this is the worst emoji that anybody could have made.
I love it.
Because when I saw it, I couldn't guess it so clearly. This is
my
the next
God.
one.
Kalibi.
No.
B
What?
गाड़ी B गाड़ी B
Sadly.
गाड़ी B. सत्य पेस.
नहीं 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 I
गाड़ी.
know it.
Hint.
Taxi Beast.
गाड़ी गाड़ी.
If I give the hint, it would be very.
And it's a John Abraham movie,
Um,
right?
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Yeah, it is कभी खुशी कभी गम.
कभी खुशी
एक second,
कभी.
एक second.
इसमें
Cat.
B कैसा आया भाई?
Dude, 1 second, bro.
B.
This is unfair.
Why?
I get the audience should be allowed to say what it is. How can the producer of the show is?
Producer said it.
He said,
Your movie बोला यार.
I didn't see. Yeah, I didn't see.
it's
I don't know what Rohit is saying, guys. I don't know what he's saying.
चलो दे.
I don't know what he's saying.
No, count. Disqualified.
That's wrong.
Disqualified.
That's wrong.
We will not cut this from the show, but the
But
point is not given to
Yes,
anybody.
because they.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum you don't get.
ये
Just
किसने पढ़ाया
fine,
लेकिन?
just,
तूने पढ़ाया?
fine. She, car, bees, I wouldn't even understand.
He meant
I don't blame them.
Cab bhi.
But she was almost there. She was like, I thought she's getting it.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I was
next
going
one.
to that-
टैक्सी नंबर
I
9
was going to that John Abraham and Nana
टैक्सी
Patekar
नंबर
movie.
9
ये जो चीटर लोग हैं, बस!
Yes!
यही होता है आधा देखने पे।
Wow.
यही होता है पीछे
Nice,
से
nice.
आधा देखने
पश्मीना
पे।
Yeah.
सातपुर
सातपुर बात पश्मीना।
120.
ये बड़े चीटर हैं। Next one.
Namaste London. Namaste London. I said
Namaste
it first.
London.
No. I said it first.
Come on.
You
I said
just
namaste.
ran for. No, I said
You
Namaste
saw that.
London.
You saw that. You saw that.
Did you
No,
say
no.
anything?
No.
I just said salam.
Salam.
I asked the audience.
Salam.
They all think
Salam,
I said it.
London.
You saw that. You saw
I
that.
think all three of them get it.
Okay.
All three of them
You
get
also
it.
said it. I didn't
Yeah,
hear you
all of
only.
them,
I swear I didn't hear
Yeah, no,
you.
she
Baba.
didn't have to scream, then how will you?
You also screaming.
160, 140, 130, 60.
60. What is that expression?
This one.
घर एक मंदिर, घर पार.
घर दुल्हस गुल.
Houseful.
Houseful.
She's too good, yaar.
140.
My God.
She's on 140. Back, huh?
Yeah.
I'm back.
I'm feeling happy for you. I don't know why. That's good.
It's love.
Oh, हाँ,
It's
हाँ,
love.
I'm good.
मुझे खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा था तो.
उड़ गए तोते. Bird, बस रुको, bee.
Panchi. Bus B.
Let them try. You guys are cheating a lot.
उड़ता पंजाब.
उड़ता पंजाब.
No,
किसने
no,
बोला?
he said it
किसने बोला
first.
उड़ता पंजाब?
देखा.
जिसने भी बोला.
But one sec, how is that उड़ता पंजाब?
Yeah.
नहीं.
पंजाब.
Punjab.
पंजाब ना पंजाब.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
170.
Amazing.
What's the score?
170.
170.
But I don't like to cheat and win, yeah. Who said it after me?
Boy, मारूंगा पकड़ के.
Next one.
Kill, marry.
Kill Mary Hookah.
Almost that only.
Kill
but-
Dil.
No, that word is there.
Kill-
Just think of this.
Kill एक. Kill एक लड़की.
Hasina Katal.
Kill Bill.
Kill लड़की something. Kill
एक
It's the
लड़की.
third word.
Kill एक knife.
Kill Chaku.
What is this?
Kill
Cross.
Cross.
Which means
गलत.
no something. Which means
Kill cross.
I just said
Double
it.
cross.
एक हसीना थी.
Which means
नहीं, no.
No one kill Jessica.
I said no also for you guys.
I would not get this.
No one killed Jessica.
I think Pashmina
I-
deserves
I
this.
love that film. I'm actually disappointed in me that I didn't.
yeah,
Guys,
likewise.
this is my
No
first
one. This means
first
no
time
one.
in front of the
150,
media. Am I supposed to
170.
act?
170, 150, 140.
I'm already trying to see.
दिल बरा दो.
Dil dosti.
दिल दोबारा. दिल.
Dil धड़कने दो.
Did you hear that? Cheers for you.
Thank you guys so
You
much.
can't help that too. Amazing.
Oh,
So
amazing.
she's on 70.
Yeah. 70.
So what
Whatever.
was the score? 150.
170, 70, 140, you are reaching.
50. Chalo.
Chand
Chand.
देखा.
Chandni Chowk to China. What's happening, guys?
Very good.
Naili.
The underdog is catching up.
Naili is killing it.
This movie is also a great film. I hope you guys get it.
Rockstar.
Wow, Naila!
I need
Proud
special
of you.
clap.
Proud of you. Proud of you.
Just for the comeback
Yeah.
that they deserved.
I think, yeah.
Lovely.
This is
90,
like post interval. You know, like
90,
90, 100.
170, 50,
150.
140.
not bad, huh?
Why are you
Not bad.
answering anything? You've not answered one also here.
He did.
Okay, now basically it's the last round.
Okay.
Last round. I'm gonna show you a slate which has scrambled up words. You have to unscramble them to make a movie title.
Okay.
Fine.
If it's Ishq Vishk, it will be in 2 lines. if it's ishq, vishk, rebound, it will be in 3 lines.
Yeah.
So as many lines, those are the words. Okay.
Okay,
yes.
So if you just jumbled up words, you have to just guess. This is the first one.
Raja Babu.
Uh,
Namast.
uh,
Boobs.
Barat.
Raja. Shaitan.
Show them. Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Raj.
N और M का गया माँ. माँ. Raja is there.
Bajirao Mastani.
तो देखो सब इतने बुरे तो नहीं है, सबने सेंचुरी मारा है तो मतलब अच्छा ही खेला.
Oh, thank God.
Thank God. Next one word.
Good day Poo.
This one is
I
too
hate
difficult.
Goodbye.
Bodyguard.
Oh,
Nice.
160.
too much work, yaar.
One.
Too much work यार.
Most close to you, Gibran. 10. 10. One more.
Third one.
हटो. मात. हट. मात.
Even I said it, yeah.
No, Rohit said it. I said it before you.
Wow, your energy, the way it came back.
I also said it with you. You just said it louder.
Too bad.
This is very easy.
Okay.
बर्फी.
But
I was going to say
the
Fida for some reason.
last,
Yeah, it also. I won't deny. I also saw Fida.
the last one.
Chal yaar, Gibran, you won.
जिंदगी
Zindagi na milegi.
No.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
Oh.
Good, 180.
190 bra.
And with that, we will actually tell you the final scores. Gibran is at 190.
Well done, well done.
Pashmina is at 160.
Lovely.
Rohit is at 150. And Naila is at 100.
This is the best comeback ever.
Ever.
But we have.
No, I was at 110.
No, 100.
Okay.
ले 110.
We have
Gibran.
वो निकाल के दो, please.
Oh, I won something.
Do we get like consolation prizes as well?
Yeah, you got na so much love.
Somebody can now. Everybody behind the camera, in front of the camera, should realize that
Yes.
I was very,
Yes.
very fair.
Yeah.
And despite
won
me being
fair.
fair, yes, Gibran has won. I'm fair and square. So Gibran, but yeah, please go and give a winning speech.
जिंदगी में अगर कुछ बताओ, कुछ हासिल करना हो. Thank you. I love this. Thank you and thank you guys. Thank you. So Lagan and Manmo, your help.
They look very unhappy.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Now
I'm
can-
also happy.
Can I give it to Naila ji?
Yes, you
Naila ji for the best comeback in the history of for you from 3 of us.
Yes.
But
That's
देखिए, I am like I said
I'm gonna
that
share.
yeah, like I said that I do love all of you, and there is a gift that will come to all of you. These are miniature
Gibran, this is
versions
yours
of the entire cast. Like 4 of you, you will get miniature versions of each one of you, like the cast, and it will be
Aww.
given to you because I know that you're shooting on a different day with us again for Rashita's show. Putting it out very clearly. That day it will be given. I'll personally come and give it to you.
Thank you so much.
So thank you for doing this. This is the first episode, and I think it was a crazy ass episode. Thank you for doing this. All the best for Ishq Vishk Rebound.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Gibran Khan.
This is Pashmina Roshan.
I am Rohit Saraf.
Hi, I'm Naila Grewal.
And you're watching us on Galata India with our favorite
Nayandeep.
Nandi.
Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Admissions open for BTech, BSc Agri, BPharm, Nursing, Paramedical and Arts and Science courses.